Want to sound more like a native speaker? Master these words. Gonna, wanna, gotta. Going to becomes gonna. Reduced vowel sounds stress on ga. Gonna. Want to becomes wanna. No t sound sounds like wanna. Have got to becomes gotta. Flap T plus reduction sounds like gotta. Accent comparison. Neutral accent versus American version. I'm going to go becomes I'm gonna go. Do you want to go out becomes wanna go out? I've got to go becomes I gotta go. Way to go! Now you're gonna sound much more American. Give it a shot and try it yourself. See you soon.